In this video, we'll install the front rotors and brake calipers. Place the front rotor on the hub and use a few donor lug nuts to hold it in place. If you're running 4-lug rotors, be sure to use the centering rings from your front brake kit. Spin the rotor to make sure it doesn't run out left or right. Contact us if it doesn't run true. Apply a small amount of thread lock to the caliper bracket and the M12 bolts from L22F. Use the M12 bolts and spacers from the L22F to attach the bracket to the upright. Use a 19mm socket to torque the M12 bolts to 85 foot-pounds. Install the spring clips and brake pads that came in your front brake kit. Apply a small amount of thread lock to the brake caliper bolts. When you install the caliper, make sure the bleeder is at the top. Install the caliper bolts to hold the caliper to the bracket. The bolts should go in easily by hand. Use a 14mm socket to torque the caliper bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Repeat these steps to install the rotor and caliper on the other side of the car.